Imagine a world where armies don't march. They glide with robotic precision. Where police officers don't sleep, because they're made of steel, and where the night sky isn't filled with stars, but swarms of drones moving like a living organism. Sounds like the plot of a futuristic sci-fi blockbuster, right? Well, it's not the future. It's happening right now, and at the heart of this revolution is China. From robot dogs prowling city streets to massive flying drone carriers unleashing swarms, China is building the largest unmanned force on Earth. Stick with me until the end, because what you're about to see might just redefine the way you imagine war, policing, and even everyday life. Meet the mechanical canines of tomorrow. These aren't toys. They're advanced robot dogs equipped with cameras, sensors, and the ability to patrol both city streets and mountain trails. At the IDEX 2025 Defense Expo, Chinese robotics firms stunned the world with machines like the Unitree G01. Robots agile enough to climb stairs, carry gear, and scout dangerous zones. In fact, footage from Chinese drills already shows these robotic dogs moving alongside soldiers, scanning the battlefield, and relaying real-time data. While Western countries debate ethics, China is deploying now. But wait, if four-legged robots make you uneasy, what comes next will shock you. China isn't stopping with robot dogs. Factories in Shanghai are churning out humanoid robots. Machines designed to move, work, and even assist just like humans. One company, Agabot, has already built nearly 1,000 humanoids, aiming to surpass even Tesla's Optimus. These bots are assembling products, stacking shelves, and assisting in hospitals. Here's the twist. While you and I are wondering about job security, analysts suggest these humanoids could eventually serve as police assistants, battlefield coordinators, or even robotic teammates in crisis situations. Imagine a future factory run by humans and their robotic twins. That's not science fiction anymore. It's China's present. Special suspense insert, viewer re-engagement. Now here's something I bet you didn't see coming. What if I told you that China has built a rolling robotic orb? Yes, a ball-shaped robot that can patrol streets, chase suspects, and even launch nets. Called the RTG, it looks like it rolled straight out of a Star Wars movie. And videos of it patrolling with police in Chengdu have already gone viral. Netizens laughed at its clumsy balance, but think about it. Today, it's a quirky ball. Tomorrow, it could be an AI-powered pursuit machine. See how this story keeps getting stranger. And we're just getting started. On land and in cities, China's robotic revolution is visible. But under the waves, a silent force is emerging. China has unveiled unmanned submarines like the UUV-300, 11-meter-long robotic explorers that can patrol for weeks, undetected, without a crew. Paired with unmanned surface ships and aerial swarms, China is building a machine navy. A network of robots that can dominate land, sea, and air. And speaking of swarms, in 2024, over 100,000 drones lit up the skies of Shenzhen in a jaw-dropping display of synchronized flight. To the public, it was art. But to military analysts, it was something far scarier. Proof that China has mastered the technology to coordinate drone armies like a living organism. If you thought drone swarms were the finale, you were wrong. In May 2025, China unveiled a flying drone carrier nicknamed the Jian. Picture this, a massive 25-meter wingspan aircraft soaring above, suddenly opening its bay doors and releasing hundreds of smaller drones in perfect formation, like a beehive unleashing its swarm. One Jian could launch an entire fleet of drones in a single mission, covering surveillance, communications, and even coordinated strikes. It's a scene ripped straight from science fiction, but it's real. And it could redefine the skies. From robot dogs to humanoid workers, from rolling orbs to underwater drones, from swarms of 1,000 to flying drone carriers, China isn't just testing robots, it's deploying them. And that means the future of war, security, and even daily life could be far more robotic than we ever imagined. So I'll ask you this. Do you think these robots are protectors of the future, or are we opening a door we can't close? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with this robotic revolution, hit subscribe and ring that bell, because what's coming next might just blow your mind.